So you might be trying to figure out how you can go ahead and use those speakers that are at the bottom of your AirPod Pros 3s. Now, the speakers at the bottom, you have to remember a few things. These speakers are only available and only there specifically for certain tracking things or charging sounds and things like that. Random miscellaneous sounds, that is where those particular AirPod sounds will basically come in from. Those AirPod sounds do not come in from basically anything else. Like you cannot play music or songs from that particular, speaker grill. So that right there is one of the more important things to keep in mind. Now the case itself, this, a charging case, when you go through and plug in your AirPods or when you're trying to connect it for the first time, sometimes it will go ahead and make random sounds. So when you go through and connect it, sometimes it'll make a charging sound, like you hear that little ping, it will make that sound. Sometimes if you go ahead and try to put it on, like another wireless charger, same exact thing. In fact, if you're trying to find my, if you're using Find My and you lost these AirPods, you can also use that speaker to basically find your particular AirPods. So if you wanted to emit certain sounds or something like that, you can also do that here too. So if you go into Find My on your iPhone and you click on like Lost or Find My AirPod, it will also start emitting sounds from this bottom speaker as well, which is another really cool thing to do. Now the Translate app also uses kind of a speaker kind of relation to it, so there is some capability there too. But like I said, it doesn't make it a complete speaker, but it does help facilitate kind of that conversation as you're using live translation. So hopefully that makes some sense. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.